Hello and welcome to another monthly release from Tabular Editor 3. In the August 2025 release, we have some interesting features for you and also some surprises coming in a few weeks. First up, we now support Fabric SQL databases and mirrored databases for importing tables into your semantic model. Here's how you do it. To import a table from a mirrored or SQL database in Fabric, select Model, Import Tables, or right-click the semantic model object and do the same. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt-I. This will open the Import Table wizard, and you just have to select Use Implicit Data Source, and then you'll see Microsoft Fabric SQL Database and Mirrored Database. Select one, you can authenticate, and you will see all of the databases that you have access to. This is, for example, what it looks like with a mirrored database, and then when you select the SQL database, you can see the same. From here, you can navigate onward to be able to see the tables that you can import, as well as to be able to preview their data in the data preview view. Select the table or view that you want to add, choose the partition, and then Tabular Editor will automatically add the table and all of the columns, as well as the respective partitions. Now next up, we also have added text wrap support for all of the text editors, including the DAX query window, where you can also now define calculated columns and calculated tables for your DAX queries and apply those changes to your model. This is what that looks like. If you go in Preferences under Text Editor, you now find a new option called Word Wrap, which will, as you expect, wrap the text in any of the editors, showing a visual word wrap indicator at the end of the line, the start of the line, or the line margin. So if you resize any of the windows, it will then wrap the text. As you can see here, we also support now defining a calculated column in a DAX query, and you can also apply those changes to your model from the query view. So as you can see here, we've added a new calculated column, workdays month to date. This also works now with calculated tables as well, so you can define calculated tables and evaluate them in a DAX query, and then apply those changes to your model and see them in the TOM Explorer. Of course, if you want to undo any of these changes, you can always do that by pressing Ctrl-Z and pressing Ctrl-Y to redo them. We've also added a small enhancement for those of you using AI to help you create C# scripts. Let's take a look. If you're using AI to help you create C# scripts, sometimes when you paste that script in, you'll have some issues. If you need the AI to help you resolve errors, like this one, you want to copy those error messages, either the single cell or the whole line, into your favorite AI tool of choice. That way, you can use all the prompt engineering magic there is, and the AI can start helping you fix the problem. Now last but not least, we also have ARM64 support and Day 0 support for some new exciting features coming to Power BI. But we can't say more, you'll have to wait for a few weeks, but we can tell you that it's going to be big. So I guess we'll see you next time. If you're going to FabCon EU, stop by, let us know, and say hi at our booth. And otherwise, we will see you next month for the next release.